In this video, I am going to show you how to deposit money onto your Cash App card from an ATM quickly and easily. While you cannot directly deposit cash into your Cash App account at an ATM, you can use a few alternative methods to add funds. First, ensure that your Cash App card is linked to your Cash App account. If you haven't already done so, open the Cash App on your smartphone and log into your account. You can order a cash card if you don't have one yet by tapping on the card icon at the bottom of the screen and following the prompts. To add money to your Cash App card using an ATM, you'll need to withdraw cash from the ATM and then deposit that cash into your linked bank account, which is connected to your Cash App. Locate an ATM that allows you to deposit cash, such as those associated with your bank. Insert your debit card and enter your PIN. Select the option to deposit cash and follow the on-screen instructions to insert the cash. Once the cash is deposited, the amount will be credited to your bank account, usually instantly or within a few hours. After the cash is deposited into your bank account, open the Cash App and go to the Banking tab, the $ icon. Tap on Add Cash, select the amount you want to transfer, and choose your linked bank account as the source. Confirm the transaction, and the funds will now be available in your Cash App balance. That's it. You've successfully learned how to deposit money onto your Cash App card using an ATM. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.